Oh my god! Oh my god! Where? Who cares about this fucking car? Dude, fucking cars. There's a car on your left.
You know, like, okay, so the new South Park game or whatever. The first one, they like always like, it's like a turn-based fighting game.
Yeah.
So basically, like, they would fight in the street. And like the first game, like, it's like, where the fuck are all the cars? But the second game, like, while you're fighting, sometimes a car there'll be like car, and then everyone fucking stops and like gets on the sidewalk, and then like, moves around.
I feel like I'm turning on the tail, dude. Oh, let me just bash into this fucking car first. There we go. Dude, it was like gay-ass dumbass rock, dude. I play Tony Hawk's Pro Skater. Like, that's the only thing that I care. The PS1. Yeah. Oh my god, the rapper like dog skater. Dude, I want you to give me your. I want you to. Can you like
Film?
Can you like? Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. You know the thing like for skater solidarity. When someone does a trick. I have a video of a guy doing that to a drag queen singing, and I was like, solidarity. Dude, okay, fuck this voice memo, dude. Let's fucking play some Tame Impala.
Oh, this is just he's pulling a polarizer it. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god.
Those are Chicago roller skate trucks.
Get in the van!
Whoa!
Bad vibes. Bad vibes.
Skate or die?